Today, I'm going to say something that might hurt. Graphic designers who ignore AI will disappear, but the ones who learn AI from today will become the future creative directors within 2 years. Welcome to 30 Days to AI Designer Episode 1. I'm your mentor from dabchickco. Let's build your future skills, one day at a time. Design is no longer about how good your hand is. It's about how sharp your mind is. AI doesn't replace creativity, it replaces only the boring execution. The new workflow is simple. Think like a designer and execute with AI. By 2026, companies won't be looking for just any designer. They'll want designers who can generate 10 concepts in minutes, deliver 3D visualizations without needing complex 3D software, and build entire branding systems, user interfaces, and even animations completely solo. It's a common misconception that AI designers are just a cheaper option. That's not it at all. They read 10 times faster and 100 times more creative because they can explore so many more ideas in the same amount of time. Think about it, while a traditional designer is still sketching their first concept, an AI designer has already visualized 10 different directions, tested them, and is moving on to the refinement stage. This isn't about cutting costs, it's about exponential creative output. The industry is shifting from valuing manual skill to valuing strategic thinking and creative direction. The tools are just getting smarter, allowing the best ideas to win, not just the best technical execution. So, what are the basics of AI design? It's crucial to understand that you don't start with the tools. You start with the concepts. The tools will change every few months, but the core foundations of good design will always be the same. First is prompt crafting. This is the art of communicating your visual ideas with words. It's about being a director, telling the AI exactly what you want to see. Next is visual intelligence. This is your understanding of color theory, composition, and branding identity. The AI can generate images, but you need to know what looks good and why. Then there's rapid prototyping. This is where you use AI to quickly create UI mockups and product concepts, iterating at a speed that was impossible before. Just as important are story and emotion. Why do people remember certain designs? It's because they tell a story and evoke an emotion. Your job is to guide the AI to create work that connects with people on a human level. And finally, there's polish. This is where you take what the AI gives you and use your skills in tools like Photoshop or Figma. For refinement, when AI gives you a design that's 70% done, your brain finishes the remaining 30%. That 30% is your unique value, your creative touch, your expertise. That's what clients pay for. Alright, let's get practical. For today's training, we're going to turn a simple sketch into a professional design. Here's a quick hand-drawn sketch of a sci-fi gadget I made. Our goal is to bring this to life without touching any traditional 3D modeling software. We'll try 3 types of tools today. For creating the initial 3D concept from our sketch, we can use something like Leonardo, AI, Enquiry, or Vectory. These tools are amazing for generating high-quality visuals from text or simple images. Next, to place our new product into a realistic context, like a website landing page, we'll use Figma paired with a plugin like v0.dev or a tool like Wizard. These help us build out the UI and product page instantly. Finally, for refining the final visual and adding that professional polish, we'll use a classic like Photoshop or a free alternative like Photopea. Let's start with the 3D concept. I'm going to feed our sketch into the AI tool and use a detailed prompt. Something like, futuristic handheld device. Matte black with cyan accents. Soft LED lighting, inspired by Apple and cyberpunk aesthetics. Ultra-realistic product render. 8K resolution. Studio lighting. Shallow depth of field. Let's see what it generates. Wow. Okay, look at these 3 variations. It completely understood the vibe. We have a sleek, professional-looking product concept. We just did product design without using Blender, without any traditional 3D skills. This is the power of AI design. We went from a napkin sketch to a portfolio-ready piece in minutes. So, how will you transform over the next 30 days? In this series, we're going to cover everything. During week 1, we'll master the basics and train your visual brain to think like an AI director. In week 2, we'll dive deep into branding and user interface design. Week 3 is where it gets really exciting, as we'll explore 3D and animation. And in week 4, we'll bring it all together by building your portfolio and learning how to monetize your new skills. In just 30 episodes, my goal is for you to have a portfolio that could land you projects in the $2,000 to $5,000 range, with clients ready to pay for your new, supercharged abilities. This is episode 1. Your only job today is to complete the day 1 assignment. Find a personal hand sketch you've made. It can be anything. A gadget, a character, a logo, and turn it into a finished AI design using the process we just walked through. Post your result on social media with the hashtag number AI30D and make sure to tag dabchickco. I'll be looking through all your submissions and will feature the best ones in the next episode. Thank you for starting this journey with me. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out. Episode 2 unlocks tomorrow. And check the description for a free PDF guide to get you started. I'll see you then.